useless.
Look at the size of that bird!
Have mercy on our miserable souls!
Is that for real?
The approach.
Bring Jules, grant Buck his wish, and take Mark to his home!
We must find shelter!
Stinching and Mark are all still sticking to the areas! Or perhaps it was Milton's damage regulations. I don't know.
My aching back. Looks like a postcard I sent my brother once.
Commoner, Mickey! Commoner! There's no response!
Are you saying we're stranded? Got goosebumps?
No school tomorrow!
Seems I did learn something from your book, Eddie.